Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Buick LaCrosse 2017 to 2019? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2017 and 2018 Buick LaCrosse protects and organizes fuses and relays for the engine, transmission, and major electrical systems. It ensures reliable power distribution while preventing electrical overloads and component damage. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2019 Buick LaCrosse manages and safeguards fuses and relays for the engine, transmission, and key electrical systems. It ensures organized power distribution and protects components from electrical overloads for reliable vehicle performance. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2017 and 2018 Buick LaCrosse manages and protects fuses for interior systems like lighting, infotainment, and climate control. It provides organized access for quick inspection and maintenance. The fuse box also prevents electrical overloads, ensuring safe and reliable operation of cabin electronics. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2019 Buick LaCrosse controls and protects fuses for interior electronics, including infotainment, lighting, and climate systems. It offers organized and labeled access for easy inspection and maintenance. Additionally, it safeguards circuits from overloads, ensuring reliable cabin functionality. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.